welcome back to Rahini's show, and today I'm going to be doing a science experiment, which is a volcano. A volcano is an opening of Earth's surface. Molten rocks and gas escape out of it. So yeah, and this is what you will be needing for this experiment. Vinegar, baking soda, a bottle cap, a glass you can throw away after this experiment, a plate to surround the area you're doing it, and a spoon. The first thing you will be needing with this bottle cap, you'll be ducking it in the baking soda until it gets full, and then just wipe it off with your hand so it gets smooth. It's not that bumpy texture. Okay, let me just wipe off. Okay. With the spoon, you're going to be doing it with vinegar. Let's grab a little bit of vinegar first. You can try this many times, by the way. Wow. And that's how a volcano forms. So it comes down. Let's add more. Oh my gosh. It's going down now. Look at this, guys. It might go down. Yep, correct. You can try this a lot more times than this. Oh wow. I'm going to put it to the corner so it might erupt. Okay, see, look. It's erupting. Not real erupting. Okay, let's just pour a little bit more baking soda. I'm not sure if I will get all of it in here. Pour it a little. I'm going to smooth it off. Just press it down. Okay, let's see how it does it. Let's get some vinegar. Okay, I'm going to move this to the side so you guys can see what's going to happen. Oh, not much. I'm definitely going to try this experiment again. Just moving it on the top. It's not going like a real volcano. That's okay. At least we're doing it. Look, guys. Oh, wow. That's how a volcano really comes down, but it comes down really quickly. I'm really going to try this again. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.